finna pack. I got my power going on. I don't know if y'all can see. So I'm gonna do that while I'm packing. I'm so sleepy. But tomorrow, well actually today, because it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Today is the trip. And I know y'all probably thinking like, she don't seem happy. I am. Everybody sleep and I'm tired. So I got all my clothes and stuff out everywhere. Literally everywhere. So I'm so sleepy. Got a lot of work to do. I'm off a lot. I don't even know where to start. And the trip is literally in a few hours. Literally. So y'all see. I will let y'all I'll give y'all an update in a few hours once we're on the road. So whatever. Alright, I'm so sleepy. I'm about to get in the shower. Whatever. Y'all see these bags on my eyes? Horrible. You can't. Alright, let me get in the shower. All right, you guys. Oh, my camera is very foggy. I don't know what that's about, but it is official. I am about to head on the road. Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you see me now? Okay, so I'm about to get on the road. I gotta return my keys up here. All right, keys on the table. Did you find this? It? All right, thanks. Oh,
you're vlogging.
Yes.
I'm gonna miss my sister, guys.
Oh God.
I love you.
Oh God, I edited you out, Mom.
Come here. I love you. I miss you. Manny, tell my sister bye.
See you. What is he doing? Hey. We'll see you.
All right, girls. Y'all going to Jamaica.
We're not going to Jamaica.
Where y'all going?
Turks and Caicos in the Dominican Republic.
That's what I meant.
Lord. All right, we are off. Well, we're about to. I think we're about to get something to eat and then we're going to go off. I don't think I'm that hungry. I think I'm more sleepy, so I'm going to go to sleep. All right, I gotta give me a passport so I ain't gotta be carrying around my birth certificate like this. Yep. Ouch, shoot.
Listen, I'm so sorry.
That was nasty. All right, so we about to get on the road right now.
Okay.
I ain't gonna record too much because
Yes, ma'am.
all right, love you too.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, my
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Whoa. Whoa.
She's so extra. All right, so we back on the road now. I will chat with y'all when we get to the actual port. All right, see you guys. Oh my God. Oh, well. Y'all look at that boat over there. And you gotta get hit by this car.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Sequoia. Thank you.
You're welcome. We are finally about to board. Y'all, I'm so happy.
Me too. My first cruise.
It's hot out here.
It is a little toasty. So she don't want me on the camera.
I didn't know you was gonna get in it. You can get in. You can.
I've been trying to.
I'm gonna get full line. I know you're thirsty. Go get something to drink. If you like, hello.
Alonzo. All right.
Yeah. Hey. All right. Ooh, we gotta go and find our rooms. I'm finna go upstairs to find our room. We wanna try the elevator. We should be on deck 7. We're on deck 7. Yeah, we could take the stairs though. Because the elevators take forever. I said we could take the stairs. Hello.
Tickets, we're on deck 10. We're doing spa tour right now.
Thank you. Where the magic.
How you get the red one?
Because I'm a member. You're not a member.
Okay, but
I'm a red member. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is where it all goes
down.
Well, not really. Not with her. It's kind of nasty. All right, look, this is our bathroom. And like, it's like a regular bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Look real nice, you know. Alright, there's a little shower, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna step on out. There's the door.
Cardi B.
And yeah, you picked the right bed because I want this one. So don't, we ain't got our bags. Our bags went by a door.
Yo, can we talk about what happened before we even got in here?
Hold on, let's talk about my camera already broke. I'm mad. I'm upset anyway. This heifer forgets her doggone ID. Well, hold on. First, she forget a passport. Okay, I'm like, it's cool. It's cool. You know, we're gonna use her birth certificate. Okay, saved by the bell. Then this fool forgets her actual ID. Like, why did you even come?
Whoa.
Why did you even come?
Like I tried to.
Why did you even come?
Listen, when you working with people in a rehab facility every day, it takes a lot out of you.
Bro, you look like you belong in a rehab facility with your hair looking like that. Look at your head up. It's just looking a little messed up now.
What you're not gonna talk about me, yo.
Oh, Cartoon Network. Y'all, all I want to do is go to sleep. That's all I want to do. Let's see what we got. We got this. Tell us like the schedule and the time. So at 3 o'clock is the time that we do our safety debriefing. So we got to be up out of these rooms. I'm so hot. Once again, this is a room, you guys. Hopefully you guys like it or get an idea if you do come to Carnival Sunshine. This is what the rooms will be looking like. I don't know why she's doing that. Stop it.
Just stretch.
Stop it, please.
Okay.
Stop it. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and sign off. Let me see if my camera is going to work, because now, okay, it does work. And I still look a little greasy, but it's okay.
You are greasy.
It's okay. I had a burrito, y'all. That burrito was so good.
I saw my burrito, baby.
And speaking of hot sauce, I had some habanero sauce, and bitch, that stuff was hot. It was real hot.
Just
But
when you thought it was safe. Whoa.
anyway, I don't even know what we're finna do. After we do our safety debrief, I guess I'll take y'all around. I gotta be real fragile with this camera because I broke it already.
I mean, you keep it around.
I dropped it already. Yeah, I'm still running on 2 hours of sleep from Thursday. I ain't get no sleep yet, and it's Sunday. I'm so tired right now. But anyway, signing off. I guess I will see y'all later. All right, you guys, this is another outfit I decided to wear for tonight. We finna, because I look good. That's why, baby. Stop hating.
Not gonna get subscribers with that.
Yeah. Back it up.
All right.
Okay. So anyway, we finna go to this little Sailaway party really quick.
All you see is you.
Oh, girl, you look cute, girl. Come on, baby. I just said you look cute. I love face out. Okay, so anyway, we are finna go to this little Sailaway party. So let me go ahead and, but yeah, this is my outfit. I will insert some pictures a little bit later, or what have you. All right, let's just go to this party. They'll be serving them tomorrow. All right, y'all, we are about to eat our food. I got my guy's burger. That burger looks so good. Why my bread look like it's already bit off? It's kind of weird. She just got fries.
They didn't have any shrimp burgers. I'm a pescatarian, so
I like meats. Okay, so I'm gonna get me a regular burger. Y'all, look at this water. It's so pretty. Ain't that pretty? That's some real pretty water right now. Alright, y'all, we are finna get ready to go to dinner. I had just threw on a simple, cute dress and a little what's these things called? Cardigan, throw on, whatever it's called. I'm so tired. I tried to get me some sleep, but obviously that's not gonna work.
Because of the kids next door to us.
Yeah, they were loud, and they're still loud. That was awful. But I couldn't sleep because I was asleep, but I guess she couldn't sleep because the kids next door. I was gonna go sleep regardless because I'm just that tired. But anyway, we are on the way. I got my hair in a cute little puff ball and a little curly bang. We finna go and go to dinner real quick, and that's about it. I'm finna see what's on their menu, so I guess I'll see you guys at dinner.